Start off with some black gloves so people think you know what you're doing. Next, slap down your meat so it knows who's boss. Now get rid of that membrane. Nobody needs that shit. Alright, now time for the seasoning. You want to make sure you cover every single part of this meat. Go ahead, get all up in there. Don't be afraid to make a mess. Your final product should look like this. For the seasoning I used brown sugar, salt, black pepper, smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, ground mustard, cinnamon, cayenne, red pepper flakes. Now toss this into the smoker at 225 for 3 hours, when it should look like this. Next we're going to cover it and pour a little bit of apple juice on it to add some flavor and steam. Get her wet enough to get her going. The smoker should handle the rest. Back to the smoker for 2 hours. As you can tell by my reaction, it was a success. Now it's time to sauce her up. These are all the ingredients that go into my barbecue sauce. Ketchup, brown sugar, apple cider vinegar, honey, Worcestershire sauce, lemon juice, hot sauce, salt, pepper, garlic powder, cayenne, red pepper flakes, paprika, onion powder. Now bring it to a boil after you whisk it all together and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Now generously spread the sauce across her entire rack. Now back into the smoker for the last hour. And this is what it should look like. Now cut them up into pieces, sauce them up again, and enjoy. Now make sure you hit that subscribe button for more videos in the near future.